Is making t-shirts a scam or maybe like a get-rich-quick scheme? There are tons of videos, blogs, ebooks, and social media posts out there telling you to buy this or buy that so you could start making t-shirts and making money. Heck, I've made a lot of videos showing different equipment and talking about how you can make money with it. But if it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Has to be a scam, right? Well, I'm gonna talk about that in this video, but first, please like this video and subscribe to the Heat Press Nation YouTube channel so we can keep making t-shirt and heat press content that's free for everybody to learn and enjoy. So, do I think making t-shirts is a scam? Definitely not. I personally know enough people, myself included, who have made enough money to know that this is a legitimate, viable business. But what about all the people who spent thousands on equipment and didn't sell a single shirt? They got scammed. Well, let's talk about it. And let me first address the elephant in the room and say this. Yes, there are some scammy content creators out there, but a few bad apples don't necessarily make an entire business a scam. In fact, if everybody does their own research, we'll see way less "I got scammed" stories in the comments section. My friend and Heat Press hero, Big Brando, says to know who you want to sell to before you start your business. And to that, I would add, know what you want to sell them. For example, if you want to sell coffee mugs to dog owners, don't waste your resources on cat graphics and a DTF printer. A harder truth is that not every business is going to be successful, and that's just life. For example, restaurants are a notoriously tough business to succeed in. But after nearly a decade in this industry, there's one thing I found to be more true than anything. You get out of your business what you put into it. I can sell you a beautiful Signature Series pneumatic double station heat press capable of pumping out 100 shirts an hour. But if you don't put in the work to put your business out there and get orders, it's going to be a pretty expensive decoration at your shop. Now, for people who do put in the work, that same heat press is a money printing machine. And don't let anyone fool you. Running a t-shirt printing business is work. In addition to production or the part where you actually print your t-shirts, you're also in charge of marketing, sales, business development, fulfillment, customer service, inventory management, and so many more different things. Things like heat presses and direct-to-film printers are really just tools for your production. And with that in mind, at Heat Press Nation, we do everything we can to make production the easiest part of running your business. The less time you spend dealing with unreliable machines or unresponsive suppliers, the more time you could spend growing your business. And that is how you make your money. Our flagship line is the Signature Series, which is a great example of how Heat Press Nation makes your production as easy as possible. Our popular 16 by 20 inch Signature Pro gives you a high quality build with efficient features like a slide out lower platen, automatic open, and secondary leverage handle. And then for more established shops out there with higher output, our Signature Series double station heat presses allow for maximum output from a single operator. We also back up every machine we sell with free lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty that can be extended. So if you have a question or issue, help from our California Service Center is just a phone call away. If you're ready to put in the work, Heat Press Nation has a t-shirt printing solution for you. While the Signature Series line is my personal favorite, we have the largest selection of professional heat presses in America to choose from. We also carry the top names in direct-to-film, sublimation, vinyl, and white toner printers, equipment, and supplies. Call us today at 800-215-0894 and speak with one of our knowledgeable and friendly representatives, or visit us anytime at heatpressnation.com.